In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to baseline in Smartsheet, a handy tool for tracking project timelines and managing changes in your schedules. Baselines allow you to set a snapshot of your project timelines, enabling you to measure actual progress against your initial plan easily. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand how to make the most out of this feature. First, make sure you're in the Gantt view of your project sheet. Baseline tools are only accessible within this specific view mode, so you'll want to double-check that you're in the right place. If you're unfamiliar with Gantt views, it's essentially a dynamic way to see your project timelines as a series of bars across a chart, which is ideal for managing and visualizing project plans. Once you're in Gantt view, direct your attention to the toolbar where you'll notice a button labeled Baselines. Clicking this button will open the baseline panel on your screen, which is your gateway to setting and managing your project baselines. Now that you have the panel open, let's talk about setting the baseline itself. Before proceeding, ensure that your start and end dates for the project tasks are appropriately entered. With this information in place, click Set on the baseline panel. By doing this, Smartsheet will create 3 new read-only columns, which are incredibly useful for tracking purposes. These columns are Baseline Start, which captures your start dates at the moment you set the baseline, Baseline Finish, which does the same for your end dates, and finally, Variance, which automatically calculates the difference in days between your actual progress and your planned timelines. Once your baseline is set, you might want to visualize this information directly within your project timeline. In the Gantt view, there is an option to toggle Show Baseline. By turning this on, you will display the baseline bars alongside your current schedules. This feature allows you to quickly see any discrepancies between your planned start and end dates and your actual dates. Additionally, the summary panel below provides a detailed comparison between baseline versus actual start and end dates, along with any project-level variance details, giving you a clear overview of where things stand. Sometimes projects evolve and require updates. If your project plan changes significantly, you might need to reset or even remove your baselines entirely. Resetting the baseline will replace the current baseline values with the updated dates, effectively creating a new snapshot of your revised project timings. Alternatively, if you decide that you no longer need to track the baseline data, simply choose Remove to delete the baseline data altogether. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and update baselines within Smartsheet, keeping your project tracking sharp and on point. Thank you for joining me today, and happy planning.